Hi guys, this video is in conjunction with an eBay auction we're going to run on this shrine medallion here. We're going to test the gold on it. It's my suspicion that it's 14 karat gold, but I had a little question about this mark on the back that doesn't appear to be gold. It appears, it's my suspicion that it's some sort of brazing or something that's on there, because everything around it, there's no step in the gold. If you rub your fingernail on it, you can't feel any let off from the gold. So my suspicion is that it's a brazing over the gold or something like that. So we're going to do a quick acid test on this item here to see what caratage it is. Now what I like to do is really rub this really good on the slate, a good white knuckle rub, so you know that if it's not real, you'll be able to visually inspect it and see if there's a plating over a base metal on it or if it's solid gold. What was that, a good 10-second rub there. Looking at it, it's going to be hard to see on this camera. I don't see any different colors underneath here, and it looks like it's been rubbed before too, so even on a bunch of the corners, so someone's tested this before. There's no carat stamping anywhere on it, but it's kind of neat. The little guy's mask even moves there, and he's so what we're going to do first of all is, I suspect that it's 14 karat, but I always like to test up and test down, so to speak. So the first acid I'm going to put on it is going to be a 10 karat acid, just a little drop. And what we're looking for, that was a lot of drop. What we're looking for is to see if the gold that we rubbed on the stone washes away initially or rubs away with a cloth. The easiest thing to do is to look at it, and it hasn't rubbed away. It hasn't diminished any on there. You can see straight through it. So let's wipe that off there as best we can, and none of the gold came away, as you can see on there. So our next step would be to try 14 karat, which I suspect that it is. Remember, we're testing up and testing down. 14 karat acid on there looks pretty good. It hasn't taken away any of the rub that we did there, so we can see through it. There, even with a good rub, we see the gold remains on the slate. Now, in keeping with testing up and testing down on this deal, we're going to try some 18 karat gold acid on it and see what happens. Now, my suspicion will be that as soon as I put the 18 karat acid on here, it's going to wash away, and it's going to leave a hole, so to speak, right in it. So let's see what it does. Pop, and there it goes. You can see just right through pouring the acid on that it took the gold off there. So in summary, let's wipe it off here. Yeah, and you can see that 18 karat acid washes that away in a pretty clear pattern as I dropped it on there. So in summary, we suspected that it was 14 karat, so we tried the 10 karat acid first here, and it stayed on there, so it's a pretty good chance that it's either 10K or higher. So we tested up with the 14 karat acid, and the gold stayed on the slate. And then we also tested with the 18 karat acid afterwards, and it washed the gold off the slate. So it's going to be my honest and professional opinion that this is a solid 14 karat gold piece. It's authentic, and we're going to be putting it on eBay. That's why we're going to direct the eBay questions to this video. So good luck bidding, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.